Alright everybody, welcome back. Quick update build on our video on the Avanti. Got the turbine in, hard mounted, and the screws in. Went ahead and put the fuel pump in. I'm waiting on some stuff to come in. Should have come in today, but hopefully tomorrow. I went ahead and got a 6 to 4 millimeter step down. I had made one, so mine works fine. Just went ahead and got another one. I think I already mentioned that. Went ahead and the starter valve, normal valve, and the ECUs down there. I used some of this foam stuff to make a mount for the ECU. It's got Velcro holding it onto a wooden tray. That's not hard mounted yet. I'm gonna, hopefully I can move it up to this area here. I just wanted to be able to push it, you know, if I can push it further back, that's great. If I need to bring it up here for CG purposes, that's why it's not hard mounted yet. Got plenty of leads. This is, you know, pretty much I can go all the way up to the equipment tray if I needed to. But I'm going to try to keep the receiver in, which is these guys right here, you know, as far back away from the turbine electronics as I can. So that's that. I started working on the pipe installation. I made an alignment tool per se. There's a piece that goes in the center. It's lined up on this outer ring, which is the inside diameter of the pipe, and this is shoot, I don't forget, I think it's a little bit more than a 1/2 inch, but you're supposed to go for a 1/2 inch to 3/4 on the gap, and looks like this is just a shy over 3/4, so that'll do. Because the pipe's going to probably be a little bit closer than that anyways. I had to glue the aft mount for the pipe in, which also contains the thrust vectoring pipe mounts. So I kind of come up with a little wire here, ran through the brackets. I marked the center up here and the center down here, so it lines up with the center of the jet. It's pretty much where it needs to be here. So hopefully, you know, I mean, there ain't much more I can do up and down wise, so the pipe should be right on, and so will the thrust vectoring. So that's drying. I got some high sol in there, and when that dries, I'll take that stuff off, put the pipe in, and then the hard part is going to be securing that at the front portion of the pipe, because the way the instructions show it, the pipe, the bell mouth goes further up, and this skinnier portion, which is where this bracket bolts in, is actually flush against the back portion. There's no way to do that because the bell mouth comes to about right here on this one. So this mount, or whatever mount I come up with, is going to have to be fixed inside the tail section further down. So that's going to make it really hard to get it in there and get it lined up. I don't even know how I'm going to do it at this point, so we'll see. But I'll figure something out. But that's it so far. Once this is in and I come up with a mounting for the front portion of the turbine, go ahead and hook up, run the leads back to the tail, put some heat protection around it, and glue in then I can glue the mounts in for the thrust vectoring servos and run the rods, and that'll be it. So getting down there, you guys take it easy.